I have a Super Nintendo Entertainment System. I play Jurassic Park, The Chaos Continues on my Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Rebuilding video game levels again, I see. This is a diorama based on the Ocean's video game, Jurassic Park, The Chaos Continues. Ocean did 2 installments for the franchise with the Super Nintendo Entertainment System platform. This is not an exact specific area of the game. It's kind of a lot of my favorite elements put together into one. There's a lot of repetitive areas inside one of the facility levels that has all of this this stuff in it. I've aged it though. I've made it look like it's been abandoned for a while, because in the game all this stuff is you can tell it's a lot newer. When I do diorama photography on this set, I usually like to add some smoke from a smoke machine to kind of give it a hazy, foggy look. It just goes good with all the rust and stuff like that. But I'll give you a closer look at it. This right here is just built out of some dollar store plant containers and wooden dowels and just wooden rectangles. It's all glued in with glue gun, some craft moss, and just painted to look rusty. The vines are just baked clay, glued on. That's just all painted on. That's just a sticker. These are all wooden dowels. I think that's milliput, the little anchors on the piping. And this ladder here is just wooden dowels and like kind of matchstick size sticks. Grate is I believe it's an empty electrical tape roll and just toothpicks or something. I don't know. This kind of observation area. This is not from the game, but I just like to multi-use whatever I can. So I built it on the top of this just so I can just shoot from different angles. Just crop out all the edges here. Hey, it looks pretty safe in here. Yeah, I don't see any dinosaurs. Yeah, me neither.